Yamaha has officially launched the 2025 Tricity 125, a daring evolution of its smallest leaning multi-wheel scooter, now pulsing with fresh technology and dynamic style. The new Tricity 125 arrives like a whisper of innovation on city streets, flaunting a sleek design and smart enhancements that make it stand out in the urban jungle. It's as if the scooter itself is eager to leap into the future, blending convenience with a striking new look. The first change that greets the eye is the refreshed styling. Both front and rear sections of the scooter have been carefully sculpted for a leaner, more athletic posture. Borrowing its elegance from the larger Tricity 300, the 125 proudly wears a shorter nose and trimmed tail, as if shedding its older skin for a more agile silhouette. When the LED lights flicker on, forming a glowing Y, the scooter seems to wink at onlookers, beckoning them into the future of city mobility. Beneath the stylish exterior, the beating heart of the Tricity 125 remains unchanged. It continues to harness the reliable 125 cubic centimeters, Euro 5+, Blue Core engine, which now works in harmony with start and stop technology. This intelligent system gently hushes the engine at traffic lights, then springs it to life the moment the throttle is touched, like a commuter quietly catching their breath before dashing off again. It's not just a machine, it's a thoughtful companion to both rider and environment. One of the most talked about upgrades is the brand new 4.2-inch TFT dash, replacing the outdated LCD display with a crisp, modern interface. It greets riders like a helpful co-pilot, offering turn-by-turn navigation, call handling, and even peeks into texts and social media. With music and weather updates on demand, the dash becomes the scooter's voice, whispering guidance and keeping the journey smooth and connected. As in previous models, the Tricity 125 comes equipped with a unified braking system, UBS, and smart key technology. The UBS dances between the front and rear disc brakes, distributing force like a choreographer guiding a performance, ensuring graceful, balanced stops every time. Meanwhile, the smart key stands guard like an invisible valet, unlocking the scooter's loyalty without ever needing a touch. Practicality hums through every part of the scooter. Its underseat compartment eagerly shelters a full-face helmet, while the leg shield pockets extend a quiet invitation to store essentials. A USB Type-C socket nestled in the cockpit sits ready like a modern-day squire, prepared to power your digital world at a moment's notice. The 2025 Yamaha Tricity 125 will glide into dealerships in Q3 2025, dressed in 3 stunning colors: Zen Green, Milky White, and Matte Grey. With a price tag of £4,801, it waits like a patient pioneer, ready to charm riders and paint the streets with elegance and innovation. Yamaha's newest creation is not just a scooter, it's a stylish ally for the modern commuter.